In this video, we'll show you the first steps in the 3D Changer configurator. Download it from our website, 3dchanger.com. After launching the app, log in with the same credentials as on the website. You'll see a list of scenes. Each has different lighting and background, so pick the one that fits your needs. We'll use a minimal studio scene. Open it by double-clicking or clicking Open. Once it loads, you'll see a default car. All main features are in the bottom menu. We'll go through them quickly. More details are in separate tutorials. To change the car, go to Vehicles and pick a model. If it's not downloaded, click it and wait a few seconds. Download what you need, then restart 3D Changer to use them. In Wrap Films, you can browse colors. In Designs, you'll find the Wrap Stock library, or you can import your own wrap designs. The Editor is where you customize the car, materials, wrap finish, wheels, and more. In Camera, you can export images or videos. Renders are unlimited. For controls, rotate around the car and use WASD or arrow keys to move. To center the view, right-click the car. Press M to hide or show the menu. To save your work, go to File, Save As. Click New Save and enter your project name. Then click Save. If the app crashes, you can recover your work from autosave. That's it. Check out other tutorials to learn more. If you need help, contact our support. Email is in the description. Thanks.